Hindi nga nagdadalawa. Our purpose in this investigation is to determine how cassava root crops can be made in the floor, what are its characteristics, what nutrients are beneficial to human life. As part of my investigation, I found out that cassava flour is made by drying and grinding cassava root to a fine powder. It differs from tapioca flour in that tapioca flour is made from the starch of the cassava plant, where the cassava flour is the ground baked for bread and the other baked goods. It is suitable for a celiac diet. Drying has been identified as the major tool for expanding processing of cassava into the high-quality cassava flour. As our research went on, we simply used direct sand grinding for almost 2 days until it became crispy. We grind it by the help of mortar and pestle. By grinding or pounding, it turns cassava root crops. We can now manage to bake cassava. We came to know that cassava can be a good substitute for wheat flour. It is plenty of nutrients and can have